Store manager Michael Coates, All-Star Autoplex. Check out the deal of the week. I've got a 2026 RST Package Z71, and we've added a couple things to it. 35-inch Toyo tires. We've also got black powder-coated 20-inch wheels on this bad boy right here. And on the back, we went ahead and did a spray-in bedliner with a bed cover. If you're looking for a pickup truck that's already decked out, where you just drive it off the lot and not have to add a thing to it, look no further. I've got over $11,000 off this select pickup. So if you're shopping and looking for a truck, give us a shout. All-Star Autoplex, Palestine, Texas.